So just want to say Happy New Year to everyone, and I owe you guys an apology because I did say that I was going to get this video done before Christmas, but unfortunately I've not been able to. But let me give you a quick update of where we are with the Kona build. So where are we with the Kona build? Well, unfortunately, I was going to come in over Christmas and circumstances and a few issues, and I couldn't get in. So I've had to leave the build, but I've got all the parts. So what have we got? We've got these ProLite wheels. 8-speed cassette is going on here, but these are from Clark's and they retail around £59. So absolute bargain. They're cracking wheels. These set of wheels went on the orange clockwork and they're really good. So we're going to top that with the 8-speed Shimano cassette. And then we have a new Sunrace chain and bottom bracket going in there. And then we've got everything else, gear cables, brake cables. We've got some new Clark's brake pads. We've got grips. Everything has been cleaned and prepped, ready to go back on. It's a 30-year-old bike, cracking components. They've come up perfect, really well. It's good degreaser we used on those. So yeah, so all I've got to do now, get a couple of days free, and then I'll crack on and get this build done. So one good thing, I brought my tool for the headset. So we're going to get these bearing cups out. So I'm going to crack on and just do that. I'm going to have a quick tidy up because tomorrow I am back at work, and yeah, unfortunately it's just going to have to wait a couple more days. So please bear with me. I will be getting it done. Next bike is a good bike. It's a Marmite bike. You're either going to love it or you're going to hate it. I love it. Yeah, it's a great bike. But anyway, have a good one and I'll be back soon. So these, I've been waiting to get these out for ages, so let's just pop these out and get them done. Finally done.